Hello and welcome to iSkipper.net. This is lesson 21 of your day skipper and it's bearings and distance. What we're going to show you what to do is how to use your Portland plotter, which is the device we use to take bearings, one of the devices anyway. And we're also going to show you how to use your dividers, which we measure distance with. Okay, so this is our Portland plotter. And what we're going to do is pick 2 points on the chart that we're going to that we want to travel along. So I found a buoy here in Carnarvon Bay, which is a yellow buoy, and I want to travel to Clanwy Island, which is up here. So what I need to do is get the side of the Portland plotter in line with them 2 points. And I don't know if you noticed, but my big blue arrow, the direction of the bearing, is in the direction that I want to travel, and that's very important. If you got that wrong, you get the reciprocal bearing, which will be completely the opposite way. So what I've done is I've got them 2 lines, them 2 points lined up at the side of my plotter. And then what I need to do next is establish which way is north, and what I do is just look at the writing, and the writing, kind of the top of the writing goes towards north, so I know that's north. And then what I need to do is get this grid on the chart. You probably won't be able to see that because it's quite fine lines, but we need to get that grid parallel to the grid on this disc here on the plotter. So what I'm going to do is turn the disc on the Portland plotter so everything's parallel. So that's parallel there. So these arrows here are now pointing towards north on the chart. And what I can do once I've done that is take off my plotter, and then I'm reading off at 0, and by my estimation that's 34 degrees. And then what I would have to do then is, if I wanted a magnetic bearing, is work it out for whatever the variation and apply deviation to that. Okay, so these are our dividers, and these are just a way of measuring distance. And again, we're going to use the same 2 points that I used before. So what I'm going to do is just open up the dividers, and I'm going to place one of the pins on one of the points, and then the other pin on the other point. So I've got my distance there. And now I'm not going to adjust that distance at all. And what I'm going to do is take the distance over to the latitude scale. Remember, it's really important to use the latitude scale because that's the one that we measure from. The longitude is the one that's warped on the chart, so it'll give you an incorrect result. And also remember that 1 minute of latitude is equal to 1 nautical mile. So there to there is 1 nautical mile. So I'm going to pop it on roughly at the same latitude as I took the bearing at. If you put it at the top of the chart or the bottom of the chart, you might get a slightly skewed answer. But so wherever you are here, just take it straight across to the latitude scale. So now, to make it easy, I'm going to put it on at 0 there. Or you could start at any point, but you're just counting how many minutes. So I'm popping it on there and across there. So I'm working up. Oops. I've got 5 minutes, so that's 5 miles, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then these are split up into fifths, so that would be 2, 4, 8. So that's almost at 0.8. So I would say that was 9.8 nautical miles.